Ciao, ASAL Adventure. This is your Kuya and welcome back here on the road. We're on for another exciting adventure today. We're with JM, of course, kumakain na naman siya. And we decided to go to Subic because I found out na it only takes almost 2 hours to get to Subic now compared to before na more than 3 hours because of the Skyway from Manila. And I checked my ways, so it's 9:30, around 11:30 we'll get there to Subic. So let's find out. We're approaching Skyway now from Santa Mesa. See ya. Ciao, ciao. Here's Skyway, Araneta Avenue, North Ramp. Sa Skyway S3. Oh, S3? 53. Skyway 53. Labo na ng mata ko. We're approaching the ramp of Skyway. S3 talaga. 53. Sabi ni JM, ano yan, Jollibee, S3 or Samsung 3. But we're here sa Skyway Stage 3. That's why it's S3. Okay. Now I get it. And here, easy trip din yung gamit. Ano, RFID pala. But we still have load naman. Tapos yung sa SCTEX, yun yung Easy Trip and Nlex. So time check, it's 9:36 AM. And tama na yung clock naman. So dito na tayo sa Skyway, northbound. Quezon Avenue, keep right. See you in a bit. Ciao. Ayan, pababa na tayo dito sa Skyway Stage 3. Approaching na tayo ng Nlex naman, Nlex toll. And it's 9:45, so isa ilang minutes lang. 9:37, wala pang 15 minutes. And then dito na tayo. So if we took EDSA, siyempre mahina ang 45 minutes that we get here kung walang traffic. So ito na, nakatipid na tayo doon. And here na sa Nlex. I'll update you later. Ciao, ciao. Wala naman tayong particular agenda in Subic. Naisipan lang namin. And siguro magwi-window shop tayo. Hindi rin natin maiikot because we just have a whole day in Subic. So let's just see. Maybe sometime, other times makakabalik pa tayo doon. Ciao. Oh, meron tayong 1,200 na load kasi mostly easy trip tayo ngayon. See ya. Siyempre stop over muna tayo dito sa Petron near Marilao. And JM wants some KFC. Yeah, there's KFC. Tingnan natin kung hindi mabapila. So we're here, Cheesy Bacon, and JM wants to try yung bago nila, the Cheesy Bacon Fest. Lahat yun. The Cheesy Bacon Famous Bowl Meal, Cheesy Bacon Twister Combo, and the Cheesy Bacon Zinger Combo. Wow, it looks good. It looks good. Pati yung Mom Super Bucket. Ay, hello. Thank you. So magbumukbang tayo ng Cheesy Bacon Fest on our way to Subic.
Ayoko talagang kumain ng... Ayoko kumain.
We're still here sa line ng KFC and it's 10 AM. check natin sa Waze kung how long will it take pa to get there.
Let's get started. Drive safe.
So 147 na lang. 147 1 hour and 47 via SCTEX hanggang Subic
Turn right on
Port
the road.
Zone. So let's see. So 499 yung 3 sets ng cheesy. Thank you. Cheesy. Ito na sa side. Yung cheesy fest nila. So we're trying everything. Tagaan. Mukbang na to. We're going back on the road while eating and trying the cheesy fest. I got my fries. I'm trying yung twister fries. Yung twister combo.
How much you?
Yan yung cheesy bacon sandwich. Man, Lord, kasi paano kayo dito? Medyo nagsasag na yung crisp fries. Pero mainit pa naman. Hindi siya crunchy. Yan, sarap. Nasa?
Hindi masyado masarap.
Bakit? Sa cheese?
Oo.
Look. Hindi masarap sa cheese?
Ako.
Bakit? Hindi ano yung cheese?
Parang hindi premium na cheese. Diba?
May melted cheese siya. Okay naman, takbang. Parang sarap yung combination ng chicken and cheese. Mataas na yung standards niya yung JMC cheese. Ayun yung cheese. So sa akin okay naman. Sarap ng cheese. Parang yung iba pa rin yung cheese ng Burger King kasi yung cheesy ano yung melted cheese, what do you order? Cheese? 4 cheese Whopper. Well, it has 4 different cheese naman kaya ganun. So ito naman melted cheese pero masarap na naman. Yung fries niya may cheese din na parang cheese pa rin, no? Pero hindi pa. And one good thing about this, bago yung bread niya. It has mayonnaise din, white sauce. I finished the fries. Naubos na rin ni JM yung burger. Usually, that's what I do. I always finish first the fries before I eat the burger. But now I'm having now yung twister. Yung isa pala, hindi siya rice bowl. It's a bowl of mashed potato and yung chicken with cheese. So it's a bed of mashed potato with cheese and chicken. This is our twister. Yung cheese and then the chicken. Medyo nakaumay na yung mashed potato with yung twister, okay din lang. For me, the best pa rin yung burger. Ikaw, Jaya.
Lahat.
Ayos na talaga. Ito, better to kung medyo spicy. Yung twister siguro. Kasi yung kanina, zinger. Pero di naman siya spicy din. Pinakalagustuhan ko yung burger.
Oo, na-appreciate ko naman na pala yung cheese.
Yung burger.
Oo, ano burger.
Thumbs up.
Sa una lang, parang hindi masarap kasi yung itsura, yung texture, yung parang parang basta tubig. Yung hindi malapad.
Super melted kasi. Nag-judge mo na raw siya. But it's good. Yum. Naubos ko na yung twister fries, so it's a bomb.
din naman. But then, burger pa rin ako.
And si JM daw lahat.
So, dito na kami sa huli lang.